Hello once again, and today we're going to be taking a look at YIGZYCH 4-pin female to 5-volt USB male USB adapter. Oh, it goes on and on and on. I'll just make it brief. Basically, let's get it out of the packaging. Right, USB to 3-pin fan. You know, a PC fan, you know, this sort of connector. So 3-pin, even though it's got 2 pins in it, but it's basically a 3-pin. But it can accommodate up to a 4-pin. Right, okay, so basically a case fan, a normal case fan. And the USB powers it. So basically that's all it is. It only costs about £1.60 something, just under £1.70. Not going to break the bank or anything, but yeah, this will come in very handy. Just say if you've got a mini PC or something that needs cooling, which I'm going to demonstrate, this thing will come in handy. So if you, something like me, got lots of PC case fans laying about, I'm going to put it to good use. Right, I've got a case fan there. I'm about to plug it in. Now I can plug it in via a USB port on the PC, or I can plug it into a USB plug outlet. So that, for the sake of this review, let's plug it straight into the mini PC. Now, as far as I know, it ain't going to go up to full speed like you would on a normal, if you was plugging this into a header on your PC motherboard. But maybe I've got to turn it upside down because that is sucking air in. So turn it upside down. It's a little bit dust grubby. You know, that might do the trick. You know, if I want to keep the PC cool or something like that. But yeah, does the trick, I think. Just enough air is, you can feel it when you put your hand close to it. But it does the job. There it is, sitting on my mini PC. So yeah, all I have to do is just maybe put some little legs on the fan or something like that, and just sit the PC on it, because it seems to be doing a fine job. This is a 120mm fan, so standard case fan. I've got 140mm fan, so I could probably put that up on it. But yeah, does the job. Is it worth £1.68 of my earned money? Oh yeah, of course it is. £1.68 for a cable. Anyway, going to end this now. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time, and goodbye.